Hi.
Windows down, please. Any guns or weapons?
No, no.
All the way, please. Lane 1. Have a good day.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Most of it isn't stairs, so it's not that bad. And from what I read and what the man said, it's worth it. So, come on, we've been in America for how many days now and we've barely done any walking.
Driving everywhere. Hey guys, that was us looking at the Hoover Dam off the walk bridge. Brilliant view of the dam. I'm in Vegas, baby! Yeah! Look what Ange got me for my birthday. Nice big bed. Front door, you got the big bathroom here. Got a tub, basin, toilet. Nice size shower. Hopefully there's good pressure in there. And there's my view. I don't know if you can see that, I'll catch a bit of the water show. As you can see, there's the Eiffel Tower across from us. Caesar's Palace, the Cosmopolitan. There's a big pool up the top there. Pool downstairs for Planet Hollywood. That water show will be nice later on tonight when it lights up. It'll be very nice. And that's my birthday present for my lovely wife, Angela. Our first venture out into Vegas. Here we are on Las Vegas Boulevard. That's where we're staying, Planet Hollywood. On this site is where Elvis got married, but the building has been torn down and rebuilt. Just the site. Only this is a Parisian. Well, it's a Paris type casino. Back, champagne slots. And here we have the Las Vegas Strip.